Want to use fun camera effects during calls and photos on WhatsApp? In this video, I'll show you how to enable camera effects on WhatsApp in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once you're inside the app, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. A small menu will appear. From here, tap on Settings. Now scroll down a little and select Privacy. Inside the Privacy section, keep scrolling until you find the option called Allow Camera Effects. Once you see it, tap the toggle switch to turn it on. After enabling this feature, WhatsApp will allow supported camera effects and visual filters while using the camera in chats or calls. This can make your video experience more fun and interactive, especially during video calls or when taking photos directly inside the app. And that's it. That's how you can enable camera effects on WhatsApp. If this tutorial helped you out, leave a like. And don't forget to subscribe for more WhatsApp tips, hidden features, and messaging tutorials.